you've ever tried to play the F chord and felt like your fingers aren't just cooperating, you're not alone. The bar F chord is one of the biggest challenges for beginner guitarists. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you a step-by-step way to build up to it. We'll start with the easiest version and slow work our way to the full bar chord. By the end of this video, you'll be playing the full bar F chord like a pro. Let's get started. Let's start with the absolute easiest way to play an F chord. For this one, you only need 3 fingers and there's no barring involved at all. Place your index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Strum the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. And you've got a super simple F chord that works great for beginners. Now if you're ready to level it up, this version sounds fuller and still avoids the full bar. Just like the first one, the easiest F chord, but we're going to use our index finger to bar the 1st and 2nd strings on the 1st fret. Middle finger, same spot on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And your ring finger, same spot on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. And this time we strum all strings except for the 5th and 6th strings. This gives you a stronger, more complete F sound without having to press all down 6 strings. Okay, now for the most complete version before jumping to the full bar chord, this one adds some extra bass notes for a richer sound. Just like the second one, the easy F chord, use your index finger to bar the 1st and 2nd strings on the 1st fret. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, but this time, we place our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string and place our pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. And then we strum all strings except for the 6th string. And you've got a strong, full F chord that's still way easier than the full bar version. Now you're ready for the real deal. If you've made this far, you've already built up strength in your fingers. With the variations of F chord we just learned, we'll use those to play the full F bar chord. Place your index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Once you learn that, make your index finger bar the 1st and 2nd string like this. And once you get that, move your ring finger up to the 5th string and put your pinky finger on the 4th string like this. From there, all you need to work on is getting your index finger to bar the entire 1st fret like this. And just like that, you've gone from beginner-friendly F chords to the full bar F. If the full version still feels tough, don't stress, keep practicing the earlier steps and variations, and you'll get there. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment letting me know which step you're at. I'll see you in the next one.